Welcome viewers to my YouTube channel where we talk about your health. Today we will learn about vitamins that you can add to your food to have healthy, glowing and youthful skin. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for youthful skin. It improves acne by normalizing the excessive oil production by our skin. It reduces the appearance of pigmentation by reducing production of melanin, which is responsible for the pigmentation. Vitamin A is also responsible for the health of upper two layers of skin, which are called epidermis and dermis. Recommended daily intake of vitamin A for teens and adult males is 900 micrograms, whereas for teens and adult females it is 700 micrograms. Eggs, dairy products like milk, cheese, butter, codfish liver oil, dark green leafy vegetables, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers are richest source of vitamin A. You can add these foods daily into your diet to have a healthy, youthful skin. Vitamin A in its active forms as retinols and retinoids are also available in skin preparations as well. Retinols and retinoids are very easily absorbed by the skin and they start the collagen production, which prevents wrinkles and fine lines, giving you a youthful skin with a supple glow. But with the use of these vitamins in skin preparation, you need to use sunblock all the time. B vitamins or vitamin B complexes also helps us have a youthful, fresh, glowing skin. These includes vitamin B1, which gives protection against harsh climates, vitamin B2, which prevents our skin from drying out, vitamin B3, which protects from sun damage and reduces fine lines, vitamin B5, which hydrates the skin and improves elasticity, vitamin B6, which reduces acne flare-ups, vitamin B7, which keeps skin conditions at bay, vitamin B9, which improves turnover of healthy skin, and vitamin B12, which reduces hyperpigmentation. Daily recommended doses for different B vitamins to have healthy skins are vitamin B1 for women 1.1 milligram, for men 1.2 milligrams. Vitamin B2 is again 1.1 milligram for women and for men is 1.3 milligram. Vitamin B3 is 14 milligram for women and for men 16 milligram. Vitamin B5 is 5 milligrams each. Vitamin B6 is 1.3 milligrams each. B7 is 30 micrograms each. B9 is 400 micrograms each, whereas B12 is 2.4 micrograms each. Vitamin B1 is found in green peas, spinach, and sesame seeds. Vitamin B2 is found in mushrooms, almonds, spinach. B3 is found in green peas, mushrooms, and oatmeals. Vitamin B5 is found in avocados, mushrooms, and tomatoes. B6 is found in beans, sunflower seeds, and bananas, whereas vitamin B7 is found in almonds, walnuts, and oatmeal. B9 is found in spinach, beans, and lentils, whereas B12 is found in cheese, eggs, and shellfish. B vitamins are available in the market in tablets and capsule forms as well by the name of vitamin B complex. They can be taken orally every day, which will fulfill the daily recommended doses. Vitamin C. Vitamin C decreases water loss from skin. It reduces pigmentation and redness, causing even toned skin. It decreases the appearance of under-eye dark circles. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, reducing fine line and wrinkles. It gives elasticity and firmness to skin. It protects our skin from sun damage. Vitamin C soothes sunburns and boosts wound healing. Daily recommended dose of vitamin C for teen girls is 65 mg, whereas for adult women is 75 mg. For men to have healthy skin, for teens, recommended dose is 75 mg, and for adult men is 90 mg. Vitamin C rich foods are citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, lime, grapefruits. It is also found in guavas, kiwi fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, papaya, broccoli, tomatoes, snow peas, and kale. Vitamin C is available in tablets form, which can be taken orally to fulfill the daily recommended doses. It is also available as serums in skin preparations. But with these skin preparations, regular and religious use of sunblock is a must. Vitamin E. Vitamin E moisturizes and heals the skin. It strengthens the skin barrier. It improves acne scarring. It improves skin softness. It acts as an anti-aging vitamin, and it promotes blood circulation to the skin. Daily recommended dose for vitamin E is just 15 mg for all teens, adults, males and females. Vitamin E is found in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, kiwi fruit, broccoli, trout fish, olive oil, shrimps, avocados, and soybeans. Vitamin E is also available in capsule form but should not be taken orally without physician's consultation. Vitamin E is also available as oils and serums but should not be used more than twice a week as it clogs the pores. Add these foods into your daily diet to have dose of vitamins for healthy, glowing and youthful skin. If you have enjoyed my video, press like, leave a comment below and share it with your friends and family. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon as well.